Hello YouTube. Here's another video that I wanted to make. Could not find a video on the internet once again. A couple of threads, but mainly on the T1 T2s. This is a T3 2014 to be exact. And I'm having trouble. Got a code on this as far as the lift support. I will put the code in the description right now, or in the frame, but got a code. This is not functioning properly. Figured out that the motor 1 is the driver's side, and what I was not finding is removing the wiring. Even though you might think it's simple, it's not until you actually figure out what to do. So over here, this is actually clipped in the body with the little screwdriver. You take it out. These wires obviously go through inside here. Now, as you see, all I did is crack this open, and the reason I did this, and I didn't remove the whole thing, you have a little access hole here that you could take for the tail lamp. I don't want these clips to break. You know, they're very fragile, and I've already broken one over here. Stuck over there. I haven't really broken it, but it came out, so don't want to mess with that. That's why I open all this. This gives you enough room to get inside there. I know the camera really doesn't show you, but inside there you will see these two plugs. I did find a shop manual. Problem I was having, I didn't know how I'm supposed to remove this grommet to replace the used one that I purchased that already has its own grommet. There's no way to take out, I believe this is for the windscreen heating, the second wire. There's no way to take this out from the other end because it just stops there and then goes all the way up into the heating element. So what you need to do is actually disconnect it from the plug. So the two plugs are over there. Once you disconnect the wires, pull them out of the hole, and what you will need to do is this little grommet for that heating element, take it out of there, and it'll come out. And the plug is actually small enough to come out the hole from here, believe it or not. At least that's what the manual is telling me. I haven't done it yet, but you take that out, and obviously then you just replace the shock. So hopefully this helps you, and it's a fairly easy job. Over here, the Touareg, I'm not going to pop this out. I'm just going to remove the Touareg since the used one came with it already. It's going to be a little easier. Make sure you prop your tailgate. Haven't done that yet, but I will do so it doesn't fall on your head. But again, no need to remove this whole piece. Just pop it open on the corner over there and you should be fine. So quick video to follow up. That was the issue. Hatch works. This plug did come out of the grommet, barely, but it did come out of the grommet. I actually ended up just popping this out. I said I was going to reuse the bracket, but it was actually easier to pop it out from there. All in all, if I had to do it again, probably a 20-minute job. Very easy now. Don't know what the dealer charges for this, but I'm sure it's a pretty penny. One thing that I forgot to mention in here, there are two bolts. 1, 2, I haven't put them back yet, but you want to remove those when prying on the cover so you don't break something. All in all, again, easy job. Everything aligned nicely here the way it used to be. And again, you can do it with just popping the trunk cover, trim cover, whatever you want to call it, on the side. But hopefully this helped you guys, and thank you for watching.